In this video, I'll show you how to play YouTube video in the background on your iPhone using picture-in-picture feature. This is also called PiP. It's a super useful because you can keep watching a video in a small floating window while you are doing other things. So first we need to turn on picture-in-picture in your iPhone settings. This is important because if PiP is off, YouTube won't be able to shrink into a small window when you leave the app. So open your iPhone settings. Now tap on General, then tap on Picture in Picture. Now turn on Start PiP automatically. And after that, we will also need to enable PiP inside the YouTube app. So open your YouTube app, then tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Playback and turn on Picture in Picture. After you enable it, YouTube will be ready to keep your video playing when you leave the app. Now let's use it. You can play any video on YouTube you like, and as you can see that you can drag that small window anywhere so it doesn't block what you're doing on your screen. And one important thing to remember, this picture-in-picture feature for YouTube is usually available only for YouTube premium users. So if you don't see the PiP option in your YouTube app, that means your account may not have access to it. And that's it. If this video helped, leave a like and subscribe for more easy iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.